यशसाज्वलन्तीं श्रियं लोके देवदुष्टामुदारान् ब्रह्माजान्तरागाश्च बुद्धिं ददातु मे कृष्णासानां ज्येष्ठा ओम त्रिविक्रमाय नमः ओम सुभद्राय नमः ओम भयात्मकाय नमः रामदेवाय नमः ओम विष्णुवे नमः ज्ञानादिधर्मणा तत्र विश्वाक्षतानुप्राणि नमः नमः अर्चना गोविंदा गोविंदा
यमच्छैव
స్లోలీ స్లోలీ
కర్పూర కర్పూర ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఓకే
అంటించుకోండి
వైనతే యసోమం వివసోమం पद्मप्रिये पद्मिनि पद्महस्ते पद्मालये पद्मधराय दाक्षी व्यासा पद्मासनस्ता निपुणकटितटी पद्मवस्त्राय दाक्षी
यत्ते मन्यपरो तस्य पृथ्वी वरदध्वसे आदित्या विष्णुय तद्देवामसवस्य समापनम्
आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै नक्षत्राणाम्
ओम श्रीधराय नमः ओम क्षत्रियान्तकरामाय नमः ओम मध्यरूपाय नमः ओम पाण्डवारिप्रहर्त्रे नमः ओम श्रीकराय नमः ओम भुवज्जगः प्रदेहस्तलिङ्गर ध्यानमूर्तये नमः ओम रुक्माब्जहरचैकूल लक्ष्मीकृत तपस्विने नमः ओम लहल्लक्ष्मीकराम्भोजदत्तकल्हानकसुजे नमः ओम सालग्राम निवासाय नमः ओम सुखदृक्कोजनाय नमः ओम नारायणार्चिताशेष जनदर्कृशजाय नमः ओम मृगजार्चिकाय नमः ओम पुष्पवादनहारिणे नमः अंजना गोत्रपतये नमः ओम पुष्पवादनवादने नमः अंजना हस्तदात्रे नमः ओम माधवीयगहारिणे नमः ओम प्रियङ्गप्रियभक्षाय नमः ओम श्वेतगोलवनाय नमः ओम नीलधर्मयोधारा शेखदेव भक्तवाय नमः ओम शङ्करप्रियमित्राय नमः ओम चौडपुत्रप्रियाय नमः ओम सुधर्मिणी सुरीरञ्जप्रदात्रे नमः ओम मधुकादने नमः ओम कृष्णाक्षिप्रवेदाण्डदेशगत्व प्रदाय नमः ओम वराहाचल नादाय नमः ओम बलभद्राय नमः ओम त्रिविक्रमाय नमः ओम महदे नमः ओम हृषिकेशाय नमः ओम अच्युताय नमः ओम नीलाद्रि धनजाय नमः ओम क्षीराब्धि नादाय नमः ओम वैकुण्ठाय नमः ओम मुकुन्दाय नमः ओम नित्याय नमः अनन्ताय नमः ओम विरिञ्चाभ्यर्चितानीत सौम्यरूपाय नमः ओम सुवर्णमकरेस्नदमृजाभीष्ट दायिने नमः ओम हरायत जगत्येत नमस्त फलदादिने नमः ओम गोविन्दाय नमः ओम श्रीनिवासाय नमः ओम श्रीवेङ्कटेशाय नमः श्री श्रीनिवासस्वामिने नमः ओम श्रीये नमः ओम सत्ये नमः ओम पवित्र्ये नमः ओम प्रमोदायिने नमः ओम हरण्ये नमः ओम बहुष्णे नमः ओम क्षौण्ये नमः ओम
आद्यानन्दरायाय
सर्वस्याप्ति सर्वसिद्धि सर्वनिपतेनाप्नोति सर्वं जगति
कान्ताय
श्रीवेङ्कटनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय मङ्गलम् सर्वैश्चपूर्वैराचार्यैः स्वप्रदायास्तु मङ्गलम् गोविंद गोविंद
कुबेराय वैश्रवणाय
महाराजाय नमः
नादवस्वर प्रोक्तो वेदान्तेन प्रतिष्ठितः
तस्य प्रकटवीरस्य यः परस्य महेश्वरः
चतुर्वेदप्रिया चतुर्वेदसेवा मम धारय प्रथमतः ऋग्वेदप्रिया ऋग्वेदसेवा मम धारय इदनु उच्यते
ॐ हरिः ॐ धन्वानागा धन्वानादिञ्जायेम धन्वानाधीम्रा समतो जयेम भगश्चत्रो अरङ्गामङ्गलधन्वाना सर्वाः दिशो जयेम
पुरोहितं यज्ञस्य देवमृत्युजम्
होतारं रत्नधातावम्
हरिः ॐ स्वस्ति यदा द्वितीयद्वारे यजुर्वेदप्रिया यजुर्वेदसेवा मम धारय
हरिः ॐ
गणपते विष्णु परां प्रेयते First day Navaratri celebration blessings from Sri Mahalakshmi Temple of Atlanta. Once again happy all 9 days Navaratri, also the 10th day Brahma Dasara blessings from Sri Mahalakshmi Temple of Atlanta. Today morning we opened the temple at 6 a.m. and we did Suprabhata Seva, also Nityaradhana, also all the deities Upachar Puja from 6 to 9 a.m. 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. we did it Yagashala Puja, Punyahamachanam, Vishwaksena Puja, Ankurarpana, also Mritsangrahanam, Rakshabandhanam for all the deities, because we are doing 10 days Brahmotsavam celebration in Tirupati. They are doing in this Navaratri time 10 days Dasara like a Brahmotsavam. We also doing here, this is our temple, 7th year Lord Venkateshwara Swami Brahmotsavam. In between COVID time, just we can't do that time, but we did it all the year, Vahana Seva. First 3 years we did Brahmotsavam, but after that just we did Vahana Sevas. From now this year, we are doing all 10 days Brahmotsavam celebration. Morning we are doing Dashavatara Homam along with the Chandi Homam. Every day morning 11 to 1 p.m. is Chandi Parayanam. Also Dashavatara Homam, that means today we did Matsyavatara Moola Mantra Homam. Tomorrow Kurmavatara Moola Mantra Homam. Day after tomorrow Varahavataram. Narasimha, Vamana, Srirama, Parshurama, Balarama, Krishna. Also the last day is Kalki Avatara Homam. We are doing along with the Chandi Homam and Lagu Purnahuti every day. The last day, the October 12th, is a Mahapurnahuti with the conclusion of the Homam. Every day we are doing one Vahana, 9 Vahanas we have. Today Surya Narayana Surya Prabha Utsavam. Tomorrow we have another Simha Vahanam. We have Shesha Vahana, Garuda Vahana, Hanuma Vahana, like all the different Vahanas every day, different Alankaram. At 6 p.m. we are chanting Lalita Sahasranama Puja. After that 7 to 8 o'clock Prakara Utsavam. And 8:30 we are doing like a Mahamangalarti, Arti, Tirtha Prasadam. And the last day, Saturday, is very beautiful event. We are doing 7 o'clock Suprabhatam, again 7 to 8, all the daily puja. Then we are taking the Lord Venkateshwara Swami, Sridevi, Bhudevi for the Chakrasthanam, Avabhrutasthanam. After that, we are making decoration and Ratha Puja, Ratanga Homam, Ratha Bali. After we are pulling the chariot around the temple 3 times along with the Tirupavada Seva. Tirupavada Seva it's called Perumal making like in a Puliyogare. That's we are making, this is the second time. Last time our temple anniversary we did it on June 10th. But this time we are doing in front of the Ratham, we are doing a Tirupavada Seva, that's beautiful event from morning 11 to 12. Then after that we are taking around the temple 3 rounds of chariot. Lord Venkateshwara Swami, Sridevi, Bhudevi, chariot, Ratha Seva. After that we are doing evening again 6 o'clock daily puja, Sahasranama puja, ending of the Dasara day. Also we are taking chariot again along with the semi-vriksha puja. You can take that journey to Ambu, you can keep in your home. That's this, you will protect all the enemies from all the enemies, they will protect you 1 year, next year. Also the Friday evening, 6 to 7 p.m. next Friday, that the 9th day after Dasara, we are doing Venkateshwara Swami, Sridevi, Bhudevi, Vaibhava Kalyana Mahotsavam. All after that, Chandra Prabha Utsavam is there. Please come with your family and friends. Get blessings from all the deities. If you want to know the program details, go our webpage. There is you click the special events. You can look the flyer, what time, what is going on, the flyer, the same time we are following. You can come anytime as you possible. You can make a time. Participate in all these 10 days. It's very beautiful event. Thank you very much for all the supporters to pull out today everything. Once again, God and Goddesses bless you and your family. Always see you everybody tomorrow. God bless you.